Hey guys, today we are here at Hollywood Studios to close out the park. We're gonna go in here and check out all the rides, see what the wait times are, see if it's not that bad. And it's getting ready to rain, so that's a downer, but we're gonna go out here and start with Star Wars Launch Bay, and then we're gonna go throughout the park and see what we can get into. So come on and join us. That's awesome. This is actually concept art from Empire Strikes Back, done by Ralph McQuarrie for the original film. That's so cool. And we have some of the rebel soldiers in the trenches at Hoth for Empire Strikes Back. And some concept art over here by Ryan Church for Attack of the Clones. Another very iconic drawing by Ralph McQuarrie. This was actually the inspiration for Anthony Daniels to get the voice of C-3PO. It's early R2-D2 here as well. Another famous concept art drawing of Vader from New Hope. So if you don't know, before it was Return of the Jedi, it was supposed to be Revenge of the Jedi. And they later changed the title because they thought it was too aggressive. But here's the Return of the Jedi poster here. That is so cool. And Empire Strikes Back. And the most iconic from A New Hope. So cool. Now, they do have all the posters in here from all of the films. You see the prequel trilogy ones are here. And then, of course, more concept art throughout this hub. Currently, the Launch Bay Theater is closed. We don't know when it's going to open back up, but hopefully soon. Anakin's Pod Racer. That's so cool. Never understood why they never made a ride about being in a pod racer. Disney, you need to get on that. And here's the scale model of it. Look at that. They have this model of Slave One. Look at this. This is so cool. I am loving this. So let's put this in perspective here. These are models of the ships, right? But these are how big the models were for the films. You have a U-wing here, and a B-wing, and I have to cut this music out because an X-wing, of course an A-wing down here, and a land speeder. So cool. And here is a pilot trooper. Uniform. A U-hauler, or AT hauler, sorry. The Star Destroyer to scale of what it would have been. And probably the holy grail of Star Wars, the Death Star. Scale model. According to this, they were doing this to scale of how big it would be if it was an actual model of an actual Death Star. We have a TIE fighter. And Director Krennic's Imperial shuttle. That's so cool. Take a look at this speeder bike, man. That's so cool. I've seen one of these before, but it was just when I was a kid. But man, so awesome. Now we come to the lightsaber portion. This is where I'm gonna really nerd out. Here's Ezra Bridger's lightsaber from Star Wars Rebels. Yoda's, look how small that is. And then Luke Skywalker's lightsaber, the one I want the most. So awesome. Ahsoka Tano's. Mace Windu, another favorite. And then Obi-Wan's, which I guess it is Obi-Wan's. I thought it looked a little bit different. Look at this, Luke Skywalker's red helmet. Red 5 standing by. Sabine Wren from Rebels. Hopefully we'll be on Mandalorian soon. Wedge Antilles. And then Poe Dameron's, which I have this exact replica at the house. All right, now we're coming up to the villains. We have the Range Trooper helmet here. Stormtrooper helmet. The AT-AT driver helmet. And then Captain Phasma. Now to the Sith Lords. Darth Sidious. Darth Vader's lightsaber. Darth Maul, one of the coolest ones. Count Dooku, which in my opinion, he may have the coolest one. And then the Inquisitor. And here's Rey and her speeder. That's really cool. Looks a little plasticky, but I don't know if that was the actual one used or not. It's like being at the cantina. But they even have the blue milk being represented here. What do you want, blue or green?
Blue.
Blue? Yeah, all day long. We cannot get into this area, but here's the Millennium Falcon model. And then some helmets. That's so cool. After coming out of launch bay, it is starting to downpour. Story of our lives these last few weeks. Okay, so update, we have made it into Batuu. You can see my glasses are fogging up because it's so humid and all the rain going on. So we made it into Batuu. Here's Angie. We're chilling underneath this umbrella right now, but we just got some blue milk and we're gonna try the blue milk. Take a look at that. We went with the blue because last time the blue is our favorite. This is the non-alcoholic version. Ready for some blue milk?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. Does it taste as good as last time?
Yep, it's like a fruity milkshake.
Yeah. Cheers, mate. Here we go. Yeah, it's good. Angie's getting frustrated with me right now.
Because you almost spilled it a couple times.
I know, but I can't be held responsible for not being able to see with the fogged glasses. So we came here to experience Batuu at night. But, I mean, it'll start lighting up here soon to ride some rides and stuff like that, but everything is just like, it's so wet and nasty right now. So we're gonna try to get on Smugglers Run. That's only a 30-minute wait. And we have Kylo's ship right here in the middle. Batuu, usually he'll come out here, talk, put on a little show, and some stormtroopers, but probably not tonight since it's close to close. We have the First Order banners right up here. I really wish it was Imperial, but Oh well, I'll take what I can get. And this is where you can get the blue and green milk right here at this station. We were just over there. You can get it right here. The lightsabers are lit out here tonight. We approach Smugglers Run. Every once in a while some smoke comes out here. You can actually use that as an interactive tool. I don't have that app downloaded. I should download it so you can do it, but just to think, Han Solo and Chewie ran out of that. Right there. It really is beautiful out here at night. Alright, Smugglers Run is only a 30-minute wait. We're going to do it. Going through a queue which is pretty much empty right now.
Field generator. Shut that generator down before automatic fire.
Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, yes, as we agree. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need.
Inside the Falcon. So cool.
Engineer, repair test. Lift your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot. Push.
We are the engineers.
To fly right and left.
Here we go.
I was just about to fly down. Easy, hey? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Get the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. 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 We made it. But we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilot, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. You is right. We need them back. They may find the missing it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium.
This video has kind of turned into a all Star Wars video today, but that's okay. The rain stopped us from doing what we wanted to do, but that's all right. You know, learn your lesson, whatever you want to do. I guess that's going to do it for us today. So we want to thank you guys for watching. Remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you next time.